Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. We're here on a move-in, move-out cleaning, general cleaning. All right, the customer, there's a little bit of stains downstairs, some pizza stains. So we're gonna get those. Here we go. And where's that pizza stain? Right here. Pizza stain. So we're going to grab that. We do a lot of move in, move out cleanings. We've been in business for 3 years now. We've never had anyone call us back or have a landlord call us back and say we did not do a good job and they cannot give the money or the deposit back. We always satisfy the work and everyone gets their deposit back. So book with us to get your deposit. All right, so we did that room, this room here, and the third room. Here's the dirty water from it. Already let some out. And there's the dirt, dust, and allergens that's inside there. A weird getting. You can smell this water. It really smells nasty. And we put clean water in here. So it's clean when it goes in. It travels through that pump down there. Goes into the dirty tank reservoir. As you can see, they had a pet. There's some pet hair in here. All that stuff is all flowing out into the dirty water. Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. We're finished up with the move out, move in cleaning here. So come on and take a look. This area that's dark around here, that's where the bed was at. So that carpet's really plush. Everything around is matted down. Just from use. It came out great. We're finishing up downstairs. But as you can see, it really turned out good. We're all finished. Let's check out that pizza stain. Pizza stain was right in this area. It's completely gone. No stain.